On the 19th of November, year 2012, the International Monitoring Team Site-3 was invited by Moro Islamic Liberation Front 113th Base Command for a peace advocacy of framework agreement on Bangsamoro program. This program was held in Camp Salman Al-Farishi, Barangay Datu Temenggung, Tungawan, Zamboanga del Sur, from 17th November until 19th November this year, and was attended by MILF members from Western Mindanao, including the provinces of Basilan, Sulu, and Tawi-Tawi. Part of the mission was to explain on the framework agreement on Bangsamoro and to strengthen the networking and cooperation with the officers, members, and their families. The IMT was welcomed by no less than the Muslim brother Alimuddin Buwalan, who is presently the MILF AJAG. There were more than 1,000 of MILF members in the area that gathered of the said momentous event. The IMT team paid a courtesy call to 113th BC Commander Swaib Abdullah Idris with his deputies, and afterwards conducted the peace advocacy with MILF members.
This is a momentous event that ever held in Camp Salman Al-Farisi. For this reason, for having us close to their hearts, and to witness these successful events that we had. As such, welcome and congratulations to all participants, to all members of the Bangsamoro Islamic Armed Forces.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace upon you and very good morning. Who can speak bahasa Melayu here? Wah, good. Selamat pagi. Apa kabar? Baik. Kamu setakat? Brothers and sisters, we must confess to you that after almost 6 months staying in Mindanao, we came to this beautiful land March this year. Until now, we have staying here 9 months. So we found that Mindanao is, for the most part, a beautiful place, fertile land, abundant of natural resources, rich in cultures, and blessed with a good people. Blessed with good people like you all, which has a great potential to become prosperous and develop in future. We believe that with these advantages could be exploited to the fullest if security and order in Mindanao could be established permanently.
Are you from Sibugay?
Yes. Pretty sure this is inner defense.
So you have three.
In their visit with the MILF commander, they discussed the latest development regarding the peace process with respect to the armed forces of the Philippines, and took the opportunity to patrol Barangay Datu Temenggung and Tungawan. Furthermore, a copy of signed peace framework agreement was distributed to MILF leaders and conducted info drive campaign. The following IMT personnel that were present in the event are Colonel Mahad Halim bin Khalid of Malaysia, IMT Site-3 leader, Major Akmal Nizam, Major Vijay Entel, Major Carls, Mr. Jahan, and Deputy Superintendent of Police O3. According to the IMT, their presence in the region was due to the invitation of both the Philippine government and the MILF for the purpose of monitoring the implementation of all agreements between the two said parties with respect to the security, socio-economic, humanitarian, rehabilitation, development, and civilian protection aspects of the GPH-MILF peace process.